everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to the Finance Current Affairs session. In today's session, we are going to discuss a very important news article of finance that is regarding the State Bank of India that has launched the Gram Seva program across 6 states of India. So which are these 6 states for which the Gram Seva program has been recently launched, as well as what is this Gram Seva program? What are the objectives of this program and why SBI is promoting this Gram Seva program to the further states? So all of this we are going to discuss in today's session. But before starting with the session, there is a big announcement from EduTap that EduTap has launched the comprehensive guidebook for RBI, NABARD and SEBI. So you can get all the information regarding these examinations through this guidebook. You do not have to go, you do not have to visit different links and websites to get the information regarding the cutoff, to get the information regarding the syllabus, to get the information regarding the sources. All the information can be provided through a single guidebook, and this is available for RBI, NABARD. From here also you can get all the information regarding NABARD, that what is the role for the NABARD Grade A officer and what is the role of the organization. All the information you can get through a single book. You can understand the hierarchy that is followed in the organization, that is followed in SEBI. All the information regarding SEBI Grade A you can get through a single book. Okay, you do not have to visit different links, different websites. All the information of RBI, NABARD and SEBI you can get through this guidebook, and this is available free of cost, and you can just download this guidebooks in the description box below. Okay, so do download these books because they are very important for you to understand the examinations. Okay, so now moving forward and coming to the news for today, that is the SBI has launched the Gram Seva program across 6 states of India. So here you can see that the Gram Seva program has already been launched and it has been started with. Okay, so here on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, that is on 2nd October 2022, the State Bank of India announced that it will adopt 30 villages across India under the 4th phase of the SBI Gram Seva program. Okay, so here first, see, before understanding that which are the states for which the Gram Seva program has been started with, let's understand the background of this Gram Seva program and let's understand about this Gram Seva program. So SBI Gram Seva is the flagship program of the SBI Foundation and it was launched in August 2017. So it is very important that when it was launched. Okay, and SBI Foundation, it is the corporate social responsibility arm. It is the corporate social responsibility arm of the SBI. So it handles the corporate social responsibility work of the SBI. So it tries to, on behalf of SBI or under SBI, it tries to promote, it tries to work for the rural development, for the education, for the health sector, for the sustainability. So it tries to work for the society. Okay, this SBI Foundation under SBI. Okay. So now the Gram Seva program, it is an integrated rural development program that aims towards holistic development of the rural India. Okay, socio-economic development of the rural India, that is through the adoption of villages. So it tries to adopt the villages so that there the promotion can happen, the development can happen of the rural India, of that particular village. The key catalyst in this process, so can SBI or can the foundation can go to each and every village to develop that village? Can that happen? No, that is not possible. Okay, because there are limited workers, there is limited human capital that is available with the SBI Foundation or SBI. So what happens that they take the help of the grassroots level NGOs. So they take the help of the NGOs that are already available in that village or that area. So the key catalyst in this process are the implement partners that actually implement the vision of the SBI and the SBI Foundation. So they are the grassroots NGOs that handhold the development activities that actually work on the grassroots level and try to promote the objectives of this Gram Seva program. So you have understood that, okay, the Gram Seva program, this was launched in 2017 and SBI Foundation is the one that runs it. As well as this Gram Seva program is the integrated rural development program. What are the objectives of this Gram Seva program now? So the objectives of this program are the digitalization of villages, okay, promotion of quality education, the primary health care services, safe drinking water and sanitation, livelihood generation, so that the youth of the villages can get the skills and they can engage in livelihood, okay, convergence of government schemes, empowerment of rural women and youth, improvement of rural infrastructure and environment protection. So these are the objectives of the Gram Seva program. So I hope you have understood clearly about the Gram Seva program, because direct features can be asked of this program, okay. So now, in a nutshell, SBI Foundation through its flagship program, that is SBI Gram Seva, promote the Mahatma Gandhi's vision of Gram Swaraj and enable self-reliant villages. So this Gram Seva program is very important because it is promoting the Mahatma Gandhi's vision of Gram Swaraj. So the vision behind this Gram Seva program is what? It is the vision of Gram Swaraj and it is the vision of Mahatma Gandhi. So you have to remember this because this is also a key feature of Gram Seva program. Okay. Through transformation of every village into a self-efficient autonomous entity, a independent entity that can survive on itself, that is developed enough, okay, with access to systems and facilities required for a dignified living. So proper sanitation, okay, proper sanitation, the drinking water, the education, these are the minimum facilities that is necessary for dignified living. So at least the villages should have these facilities, okay. So for the dignified living, this Gram Seva program is there, okay. Gram Panchayats and local communities actively take part in identification of the need of the village. Maybe in the village there is a good transportation system, the livelihood is also good, but they do not have the sanitation, proper sanitation facilities. So they try to identify that what is lacking in this village. Okay, digitalization is lacking, or sanitation is lacking, or drinking water is lacking. So what is lacking in this particular village? So that is the part of identification is for the Gram Panchayats and the local communities. Planning of customized interventions, the execution of the development interventions through a participatory and democratic approach, okay. And then the NGOs are the ones that actually take the development process further, okay. Gram Panchayats and communities, they see that what is needed, and after that, under the SBI Foundation, the NGOs help the SBI Foundation to further the development process in the village. Now, as on date, okay, the Gram Seva program was launched in 2017. So what is the development that has happened already? So as on date, 100 villages across 16 states in India have been adopted under the SBI Gram Seva program. Here you can see these are the 16 states that and from this state, these are the districts, and in this districts, the villages, 100 villages have been adopted so that the promotion, the progress and the development can take place under the Gram Seva program. And these are the implementing partner NGOs that help the SBI Foundation to further the Gram Seva program, okay. So till now, if the question is till now how much development, how much the Gram Seva program has helped, so it is that as on date 100 villages across 16 states in India have been adopted under the SBI Gram Seva program so that the development can take place, okay, of these villages. Now coming back to the news article, that on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, what has happened, that the adoption of 30 remote villages, 30 new remote villages will happen under the SBI Gram Seva program. This is the fourth phase. This is the fourth phase of the Gram Seva program, okay. Under the flagship scheme of the SBI Foundation, the bank will adopt remote villages across aspirational districts in 6 states. So these 6 states that you have to remember is Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. So these are the 6 states of which the 30 villages will be chosen, okay. And these villages will be from the aspirational districts. If you remember about the aspirational district program, this was launched by the PM of the country in January 2018. Okay, in January 2018 this was launched. So aspiration district programs, it is a program so that the most underdeveloped of the districts can be developed, okay, efficiently and on timely basis, on a fast manner, on a quickly manner. The districts that are most underdeveloped, they can be developed. So under the aspirational districts, so aspirational districts of these states will be, from these states, the villages of the aspirational districts will be chosen, so that the most underdeveloped of the villages can start developing. They can have the even the basic necessities. Okay, the government is committed to raising the living standards of its citizens and ensuring inclusive growth for all. So inclusive growth. Now this Gram Seva program, this also comes under this inclusive growth, because we want a growth where all the people of the country, they develop together. We do not want that only the urban sector have all the facilities, all the education, all the necessities that are there. We want even the rural areas, even the backward areas, even the far off areas, they should also have the basic necessities available with them. Okay, basic facilities available with them. So that is the inclusive growth. We want all the areas of the country, all the sectors of the country, all the people of the country to grow together, and for that we have to develop the rural areas, especially the rural areas that are under the aspirational district program, that are the districts which are most underdeveloped. Okay, so we have to choose the villages from that districts, and that is what the Gram Seva program is doing. So that slogan of government is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas or Sabka Vishwas. So under this also the Gram Seva program, we can see that the Gram Seva program is also doing the same thing that the government is committed to do under the aspirational district program, and it is helping, the SBI is helping the government in a way to develop the aspirational districts, okay, by developing the villages of the aspirational districts. So we have understood that which are the 6 states. Okay, from those 6 states, the 30 villages will be chosen, and the 30 villages are mostly from the aspirational districts. Okay, so now launched under the corporate social responsibility of the bank. So this SBI Foundation is under the social responsibility. This SBI Foundation is the social corporate social responsibility arm of the SBI, and this program, this Gram Seva program, is launched under the corporate social responsibility of the bank. This program emphasizes a comprehensive development of the village that should happen by active intervention in areas like education, healthcare, livelihood. So I have told the objectives of the Gram Seva program. The objective is what the SBI Foundation is trying to promote in the villages. Okay. So with this launch, with the launch of the fourth phase, what has happened, that the program's outreach will expand to a total of 130 villages. So until now, as I have shown you before, that 100 villages, that as of now, 100 villages of 16 states have already been adopted under the Gram Seva program. So now 30 more villages will be adopted. So in total of 130 villages under this outreach program will be there, of which 75 villages are from aspirational districts notified by the Niti Aayog under the Government of India. So you can understand that the aspirational districts, the Gram Seva program is trying to reach to the villages that are most underdeveloped, that are most underserved, and this has already been started. Okay. So I hope you have understood the news article very clearly, that for now 6 states have been chosen, 6 more states have been chosen, as well as 30 villages will be adopted under the 4th phase. So this 4th phase has been started, and this 4th phase has started on 2nd October 2022. Okay. So as well as I hope you have understood the features and background of the Gram Seva program also. That is also very important. It is a very important program that has been taken by a bank. Okay, as well as you have already seen through the previous year examination, I hope that the direct questions has been asked from the banking news articles. Okay, banking awareness. So this is a big news under the banking awareness, and direct questions regarding which bank has launched the Gram Seva program, or direct questions from the features of the Gram Seva program can be asked. Okay, so be prepared. Okay. So thank you very much. This is the first question that I hope you can easily answer now, and this is the second question. In this, you have to know the features of the Gram Seva program, and I hope you already know the features of Gram Seva program now. And these were the people that were able to give the right answer of the previous session question. Yash, Vardhaman, Arpita, ST and Neil. Well done, you guys. Thank you very much, everyone. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel, and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session, okay? As well as thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you very much, everyone.